How to think in English instead of translating. Do you first think in Bangla and then translate everything into English? Do you know what you want to say, but it takes too long to make the sentence? Sometimes you may even know the grammar, but when you try to speak, your mind becomes stuck. If this sounds familiar, don't worry. Today, we're going to learn a simple technique that can help you start thinking in English naturally. You don't need complicated English. You can start with very simple thoughts. So, let's begin. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Today. This is part 13 of our English learning podcast. Today's topic is how to think in English instead of translating. Many English learners make the same mistake. They think in their native language first, then they translate the sentence into English. For example, they want to say, first, they think in Bangla, then they search for the English words, then they think about grammar. Finally, they say, I'm going outside now. There's nothing wrong with this when you're starting. But if you want to speak more naturally, you should gradually train your brain to think directly in English. Step 1. Start with simple thoughts. Don't try to think about complicated topics in English. Start with things you see and do every day. Look around your room and think, this is my phone. That is my chair. The door is open. My room is clean. I need some water. I'm feeling tired. These sentences are simple, but they're extremely useful. Your goal is to make English a part of your everyday thinking. Step 2. Describe what you're doing. This is one of the easiest ways to practice. Whatever you're doing, describe it in English. For example, I'm getting ready. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm looking for my phone. I'm drinking water. I'm going outside. I'm coming back home. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a speaking partner. You can practice by yourself. The more you do this, the easier it becomes to create English sentences without translating every word. Step 3. Think in English when you're using your phone. You probably use your phone every day. So, use it as an English learning tool. When you open your phone, think, I'm checking my messages. When you watch a video, I'm watching a video. When you search for something, I'm looking for some information. When you finish, I'm done. These tiny moments can become English practice. Step 4. Ask yourself questions. Another great technique is to ask yourself simple questions. For example, what am I doing now? Where am I going? What do I need? What did I do today? What am I going to do tomorrow? Then answer yourself in English. For example, what am I doing now? I'm listening to an English podcast. What am I going to do tomorrow? I'm going to study English. This simple exercise can improve both your thinking and speaking skills. Step 5. Learn English in chunks. Don't always learn English word by word. Learn common groups of words together. For example, instead of learning only, look, learn. Look at this. Instead of only learning, wait, learn. Wait a minute. Instead of only learning, give, learn. Give me a moment. These ready-made expressions make speaking easier. When you hear them often, your brain starts recognizing them automatically. Step 6. Listen to simple English. If you want to think in English, you need to hear English regularly. Listen to slow and clear English. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on the meaning. Listen to a sentence. Pause. Repeat it. Then try to say the same idea without looking at the sentence. For example, I'm trying to improve my English. Now close your eyes and say, I'm trying to improve my English. This helps connect English directly with meaning. Step 7. Don't translate everything. Remember, translation isn't bad. It's useful when you're learning. But you don't have to translate every single sentence forever. If you hear, I'm hungry, try to understand the meaning directly. Don't stop and think, hungry means. Instead, connect I'm hungry directly with the feeling of being hungry. That's how your brain gradually becomes more comfortable with English. A simple 15-minute practice routine. Now let's create a simple daily routine. You can practice for just 15 minutes. First 5 minutes, look around and describe what you see. Next 5 minutes, talk about what you're doing. Last 5 minutes, ask yourself questions and answer them in English. For example, what did I do today? I went to school. I studied English. I talked to my friend. I came home in the evening. That's enough. You don't need complicated exercises. You need consistency. Final message. So, how can you start thinking in English? Start small. Think about simple things. Describe what you're doing. Ask yourself questions. Learn useful expressions. Listen to English every day. And slowly reduce unnecessary translation. Remember, you don't need to think in perfect English. You just need to start thinking in simple English. 1 sentence today, 10 sentences tomorrow. And with regular practice, English will gradually become more natural. Don't rush. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep practicing. Outro. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Today, Part 13. I hope this episode helps you start thinking in English every day. Remember, think simple, speak slowly, practice daily, and most importantly, don't translate everything. Start thinking in English. See you in Part 14. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep improving.